Hey everyone, it's Tina Marie. Welcome back to my channel. So I have teamed up with Curlsqueen again, and I'm excited to see what this hair is going to look like. So this is everything that came in the packaging. The type of hair that I have is the Water Kinky Curly Bundle. They are the wefts, and I have 18 inches. So I'm looking at this hair, and it looks a little bit not like my texture, but I want to see if I can like comb it out and get that thickness. And this is what it looks like combed out just a little bit. So we're going to see exactly what it looks like. So I forgot to show y'all my braid pattern, but they're just going straight back. And I'm not the best braider, so they're not perfect. I don't do sew-ins all the time, so this isn't a tutorial on how to do a sew-in because how the strings are and everything and what y'all see, y'all are probably like, what is going on? But I just basically, I'm sewing underneath the wefts and then I'm putting the needle underneath my braid. And once I do that, it creates a loop. So I just stick my needle through that loop, and that ensures that the track is nice and tight. So right here, I am putting the needle underneath the track, and then I am putting it underneath my braid. Once I bring it up, I put it through that opening loop, and I just pull it nice and tight. And that's basically it. That's all that I've done throughout this whole process. I'm just going from side to side. So I started doing a double weft. So the hair was folded in half, if you know what I'm talking about. And then once I got to the very, very top, I did single weft so that it could lay a little bit flatter once on top. And once I got to where I needed to fold my tracks, I just fold it and I just basically have a good grip on it, and I put my needle through where it's folded at and then just secure it nice and tight. I don't know how else to explain it, but I just do it just like that. And then I just go ahead and continue on sewing how I've been doing the rest of the time. But you want to make sure that when you do fold it, that the folded part is nice and secure. You don't want that to be loose or anything. So one tip that I would give you when doing your sew-ins, I definitely should have did this, but this will help cut down on time, is that you already have a few needles already prepped with the thread. So once you run out of the thread, you don't have to stop and, rethread it, and that just takes too much time. So definitely make sure you have a few needles already prepped. And this is what it's looking like so far. I'm really loving this fluffy look. I'm loving how full the hair is. And I used 1.5 bundles. It was almost two. I just had a few pieces left and it was more than enough for me. So 2 bundles of this hair is equal to 3 to 4 bundles. So 2 bundles is definitely enough for a full head. So I didn't do a versatile sew-in. I did a traditional one, but with versatile sew-ins, you can do buns, you can do ponytails. But I wanted to show y'all how I do a traditional one because I haven't done one in a very long time, and these used to be my go-tos. So I am almost finished, and as you see, I'm just doing the single wefts at the top, as I stated, to make sure that it lays nice and flat. So what I love about Curlsqueen is that their mission is to signify women's beauty, power, and self-love through hair. And I am definitely on a self-love journey this year. So I'm all about that. And you just feel more confident when your hair looks good. So I am finished. This is what it's looking like. I love how full it is, and The only thing I did was stretch it out a little bit. Like if I ran my comb all the way through it, it would just be so full. This hair is super lightweight. I didn't really get any shedding when I cut the tracks at all. So now I am just taking my hair loose and I'm trying to see how I'm going to get it to blend in with this hair. So this texture is a little bit different from what I would usually go for, but I know I'm going to make a way so that this hair blends flawlessly. So I'm just putting the hair in place just to make sure that my hair is covering all of the tracks. So I just wanted to lay my edges down a little bit and I wanted to see how my hair would look in this blown out state. I feel like if my hair wasn't colored that it will blend even better, but I really do like this fluffy look and it's super full, but I cannot wait to show y'all the end result. Now I want y'all to see how these curls really do pop. So I am just taking my water bottle and I'm just spraying my hair and the bundles as well. And I'm just working in sections. You don't want to rush this process. So I am just brushing through and y'all can already see these curls. These curls are so beautiful. But one thing that I do to make sure that my hair is blending in with this hair is that I make sure that it is saturated. And then I'm going to go ahead and use this gel. Wetline Extreme is my go-to. It always makes my curls pop and they are super defined. So I'm putting that on my hair as well as the bundles. And I am just brushing my edges down a little bit more and just making sure that it looks good. And this is what it looks like. You see how it's blending so nicely? And it looks like the wet look, which I really do love. And I just continue to do this process throughout the rest of my hair. And that is basically it, y'all. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you will try this hair or if you have even tried this company before. I absolutely love it. I love how it turned out. I'm loving the length. I'm loving the fullness and the versatility that this hair gives. Make sure to check out Curlsqueen. I will have all their information down below in the description box. And make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I will see you all on the next video.